Improve the accuracy of your woodworking with a simple, economical upgrade to your table saw. Woodpeckers StealthStop Mitre Gauge. The standard miter gauge on most table saws leaves a lot to be desired. The reference fence is too short, and there's no way to repeat a cut. Many also have a sloppy fit in the miter slot. But here's a replacement miter gauge that delivers the features you want at a price you'll love. It all starts with a miter gauge bar designed to work perfectly in any miter gauge groove approximately 3/4 of an inch wide by 3/8 of an inch deep. The leaf springs in the edge of the bar adjust on the fly to give you a perfect fit in slots that are irregular, too wide, or even a little too narrow. The head has 13 laser-accurate positive stops for the most common miter angles. Just depress the index pin and your angle snaps in place perfectly. The back fence extends from 20.5 inches to 29 inches. You can position the StealthStop anywhere along the fence for repetitive cutting. The thumb wheel micro adjuster lets you dial in the perfect position for the stop. The stop is completely out of the way until you need it. Then it snaps into position, ready to set the length of your cut. By flipping out sideways instead of down from the top, mitered ends can't lift the stop out of position. If you want to support your material all the way through the cut, you can add an optional sacrificial end block. They're available in 3-packs from Woodpeckers, or make them yourself. If you already have one of our StealthStop miter gauge fences, or you need a miter gauge without a fence at all, you can get the StealthStop miter gauge without the fence. Woodpeckers StealthStop Mitre Gauge. Affordable accuracy for your table saw. Order yours today.